They are the singular heroes who did more than their training required, more than their jobs demanded. They reached into their hearts and souls for a higher standard. Tonight, we honor them. The Aubrey Rose Foundation is pleased to announce the 5 Doctors of the Year in the 2015 Above and Beyond Doctor of the Year Awards, recognizing physicians whose dedication, talents, and skills have improved the lives of their patients, with an emphasis on hearts, lungs, or general pediatrics. All these physicians have exemplified not only a good bedside manner, but the highest of quality, care, and service. They have all gone above and beyond when it comes to their patients. Dr. Janine Arruda is a pediatric cardiologist at Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital. The mother of one of her patients cites Dr. Arruda's exceptional care of her son from birth through 11 years. She stayed with me till he was out of surgery until 10 p.m. on a Friday night, even when she had 2 little children of her own at home, said the grateful patient's mom. She works tirelessly for her patients and treats every child as if they were her own. She is the most important person in our family's life, and I thank God for her every day. Dr. Arruda earns her Doctor of the Year award for consistently going above and beyond for this patient and others. Dr. Paul Breyer is an expert in pediatric diabetes and endocrinology at Dayton Children's Hospital. He's touched the hearts of patients, including one mother who nominated him for caring for her son for almost 12 years, ensuring the family had the equipment and information to live a healthy life with diabetes. As the parent of a patient with type 1 diabetes himself, he understands what it's like to live with this terrible disease. He and his staff are worthy of recognition for their commitment to delivering excellent service and support, said the patient's mom. Dr. Breyer is her Doctor of the Year every year. Dr. Sharon Harp is a pediatrician at Queen City Physicians. Her office manager nominated Dr. Harp for coaching the care team to ensure optimal care and the latest techniques. The patients notice, said the manager, and constantly praise Dr. Harp's care. She's at ease talking to the patients and to their parents in a warm, approachable manner. And she's led a new concept called Patient-Centered Medical Home to empower parents to become more involved in their children's health care. For making herself available to her patients all days of the week, even on holidays, Dr. Harp makes a difference and serves as Doctor of the Year. Dr. Parinda Mehta is an associate professor in the Division of Bone Marrow Transplantation and Immune Deficiency within the Cancer and Blood Diseases Institute at Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center. This year, she took over as bone marrow transplantation doctor for a patient 8 years after his transplant, impressing his mother with her expertise and caring. Dr. Mehta found that the boy's bone marrow was failing and he would need a second BMT. Dr. Mehta is everything you want in a physician caring for your child with a life-threatening illness, said the mother. Her bedside manner is most excellent. Dr. Mehta made sure the patient was just as involved in choosing the plan of treatment. She is a very caring and empathetic human being, the perfect example of one who goes above and beyond every day, as befits a Doctor of the Year. Dr. Jennifer Ringel is a pediatrician with Suburban Pediatrics Associates. Her husband says it's uncanny how often she's spotted rare medical problems, how much her young patients bond to her, and how she's inspired some of them to pursue pediatric medicine in their futures. One patient's mother calls Dr. Ringel amazing. She diagnosed her daughter with a brain tumor at 5 months old after noticing the baby's head was growing. The little girl remains tumor-free 2 years later, and the mother says it's all because of the extra vigilance of Dr. Ringel. Her mother says Dr. Ringel's passion to become a doctor began as a child when she watched her uncle suffer with ALS. For her sense of compassion, observation skills, and emotional intelligence to help read people and treat them well, Dr. Ringel serves as Doctor of the Year. Dr. Jennifer Ringel joins Dr. Janine Arruda, Dr. Paul Breyer, Dr. Sharon Harp, and Dr. Parinda Mehta as the Aubrey Rose Foundation's 2015 Doctors of the Year.